give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of June. Again with the Lungo this morning. If you have your Bibles, turn to 2 Samuel 1, verse 17 and 18. 2 Samuel 1, 17 and 18. Saul and Jonathan have just been killed in battle, and obviously Jonathan is heartbroken. Then David chanted with this lament over Saul and Jonathan his son. And he told them to teach the sons of Judah the song of the bow. Behold, it's written in the book of Joshua. And then it goes on to give you the song of lament. And what's interesting for me is David doesn't just recount the good days. He doesn't just share and get the people to remember all the festivities and all the feasts and all the high days and all the glorious, wonderful days. He gets them to remember the low days as well, when their king and his son are killed in battle. He comes back and he says, I want you to stay in the pain. I want you to remember, and I want you to learn off by heart this chant which recounts the bravery and the battle and the death of Jonathan and Saul. And he says, I want you to remember it. He chants it over them and he writes it and he gets them to remember it. And sometimes we don't talk about the hard, difficult days. We don't dwell too long in the painful memories and the painful moments. And yet, when you ask someone who's successful as to what were their greatest growth moments, it's often those painful, it's often those difficult, arduous journeys and times in our life. The easier, the better, the wonderful, we kind of gloss over, and they don't teach us that much. It's the death of, it's the dealing with, it's the misunderstandings, it's the miscommunications, it's the times we didn't get the promotion, it's the times we didn't get all that we wanted. En ek dink is amper asof ons nie daaroor wil dink nie, maar as jy vrede gemaak het met jou verlede, as jy in daai plek is van ek is waar ek is en ek is gemaklik, ek is op 'n goeie plek hier waar ek is en alles wat my tot hier gebring het, was nie altyd noodwendig lekker en goed en soos ek dit wou gehad het en beplan het, maar ek is hier. En selfs daai ompaaie, selfs daai berge, selfs daai moeilike reise en verhoudings wat ek nie aan opgegee het nie, maar deur gesukkel het en gesê het, man, jy haat my op hierdie stadium, maar ons gaan nie mekaar verlaat nie, ons is hier, we have to make up, we have to find one another. I don't like you, and I don't know why I should like you, but we're family, or we, whatever, and we have to just push on, we have to make it happen. Those are sometimes the things that grow us the most, give us the most character. And so I want to encourage you to when you pass on to your son or your daughter, when you hand over the baton, don't just hand over the good, hand over the whole life, because you're the sum total of your whole life, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And that's my thought for today. And I trust that as you go into this week, well, why don't you come and have a cup of coffee? Let's chat about some of those growth moments, those difficult times, and see if we can't give God the glory even for those sad moments.